a mother hearts on her daughter's wedding day. Today, I sit quietly, room filled with flowers, dresses, laughter, and wedding songs. Yet, my heart keeps traveling back in time. My heart keeps traveling back in time. Back to the very first moment I held my daughter in my arms. She was so tiny, so delicate, and in that moment, without even realizing it, my whole world changed forever. People say children grow fast, but no one tells a mother low how quickly those little hands stop reaching for hers. How suddenly bedtime's story became late night conversation. And how one day the little girl who once played dress up in front of her the mirror stands before you in a wedding dress for real. I still remember her first steps. She was scared to walk alone. She held onto the couch, looked at me with nervous little eyes, and took one tiny step at a time. And today she's taking another big step, a beautiful step. I'll step toward a new life, a new home, and a new chapter. As a mother, there is happiness in my heart today, but there is also something else. A quiet edge only mother understand. Because no matter how old our daughters become, part of us still sees them as our little girls. I remember fixing her hair before school, packing lunches she sometimes forgot to eat, waiting at the door when she came home, listening to her dreams, fear, and endless stories. I remember the night she carried our small heartbreak and the moments we laughed so hard we could barely breathe. Those ordinary days, they become the most precious memories in my life. And somewhere between school morning and birthday candles, between hug and growing pains, time quietly slipped away. Today, everyone sees a beautiful bride, but I see every vision of her all at once. The little girl who held my finger while crossing the road, the teenager learning confidence, the young woman discovering who she truly is, and now a bridge glowing with love and hope. Marriage is not only about love, it is about patience, kindness, friendship, understanding, and choosing each other even during difficult days. My dear daughter, there will be days when life feels easy and magical, and there will also be days when things feel hard. On those difficult days, reminder this: speak gently, forgive quietly, laugh often, and never let pride become louder than love. A strong marriage is built in small moments, in every morning conversation, in shared meals, in supporting each other during storms nobody else sees. Love is not perfection, love is choosing someone again and again, even after seeing their flaws. And to the man standing beside my daughter today, thank you. Thank you for loving her heart, her smile, her dreams, and even her fears. Please remember, she may look strong, but she still carries a soft heart. Take care of her when life becomes heavy. Hold her hand when she doubts herself. Celebrate her happiness like it is your own, because today I'm not losing a daughter, I'm watching my family grow. People often ask mother if this day is difficult, and yes, it is emotional. But not because we are sad to see our daughters leave. It is emotional because we suddenly realize the greatest job in life was never to keep our children close forever. It was to prepare them to fly on their own. And today, watching my daughter smile with love in her eyes, I know she is ready. If I could give one final gift to my daughter on her wedding day, it would be not be money, jewelry. It would be the blessing. May your home always be filled with peace, my laughter. May laughter visit often, may respect remain even during disagreement. May your love continue growing through every season of life. And may you always remember where you came from. The home that was taught you love. My sweet daughter, no matter what life takes, no matter how busy the years become, you will always have a place in my heart and in my home. Because a mother's love does not end at the wedding assail. It simply grows bigger. So today I will smile through my ears. It will hold your hands proudly, and I will thank my God for the privilege of being your mother. You were my little girl yesterday. You are a beautiful bride today, and you will always be the greatest part of my story. I love you forever and always. My eyes full of tears, and my love is always forever for you. Thank you, be a part of this journey, viewers. If you like the video, if you like the design, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. A mother hearts on a daughter wedding day. Today, I sit quietly. Room filled with flowers, dresses, laughter, and wedding songs. Yet, my heart keeps traveling back in time. My heart keeps traveling back in time. Back to the very first moment I held my daughter in my arms. She was so tiny, so delicate, and in that moment, without even realizing it, my whole world changed forever. People say children grow fast, but no one tells a mother low how quickly those little hands stop reaching for hers. How suddenly bedtime's story became late night conversation. And how one day the little girl who once played dress up in front of her the mirror stands before you in a wedding dress for real. I still remember her first steps. She was scared to walk alone. She held onto the couch, looked at me with nervous little eyes, and took one tiny step at a time.